Okay. Okay, so y'all, I'm still trying to find out this hobby horsing POV thing. I have an iPad, so I might try to figure this out. But I'm on Cleo. This is my first hobby horsing video. And I have another hobby horse named Raven. I might be talking too fast, but oh well. And Raven is a black horse. It's a black hobby horse. And I basically my friend Hannah's. Her channel, she has a hit channel. She is Ethereum. I am kind of too. And just ignore what I just said. Her channel name is Pause with Alex. And yeah, I am going to try to jump a duck. That's not real, by the way. Can't jump that. I'm gonna try to jump this duck with Cleo right here. Monster. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Wow! Okay, that was bad. That was you couldn't even see the jump. But if I jumped higher, I'm scared too because my iPad's out of its case. Because my iPad case is over here. It flops around a lot. But I do jump higher, but I'm scared I'm gonna drop it on the ground. Scared that I'm gonna fall down. I rolled my ankle once doing a jump. Not fun, but we can try again. I would love to go higher on her without my iPad, without my iPad, but I'm just not ready for that. That was better. But I do think that I might be able to jump a little bit higher, which is a chair, but I don't really have chairs on me at the moment. Oh, I put this. But I do have Hannah that I can go get. She's my cousin. She comes over most of the time because yeah. And I'm also moving to a new house, so we're not going to be seeing this big backyard anymore. But our backyard is still going to be big, but I'm still going to be hobby horsing and posting riding videos. And yeah, so let's do another jump to see how Cleo does in this one. Okay, angle. That was good. I liked it. But I don't like how it's so close to her head. Like if y'all could tell me, if y'all could help me out in the comments on how to do this, that would be very helpful. I have an iPad, just so you know. I cannot put the whole thing in my mouth, like y'all phone users do sometimes. I'm not trying to hate on you, but I don't know if that's how you do it. But yeah. But let's try again. Whee. Oh my god, that was good. Okay, y'all. Bye for today. But this is a voice reveal too. Hope you like it. But like, is it actually my real voice, real life? Just, please, I'm not like a 5-year-old, something like that. I am 10 years old. Okay, keep that in mind. I do want some help. Well, I am gonna do a face reveal, like a full face reveal right now, if you want to. But at 10 likes, I will do a face reveal because I never get that much likes. So I will do like a full face reveal. So very nice. So bye, y'all. Oh my god, my hand. Bye.